Okay, guys, so this is the last question of your review, question number 25. Again, please stop the video, read the question, identify the keywords, try and attempt it. Okay. All right, so this question, we did very similar question only once to it, and this is not using the normal distribution CDF function, right? So we are using something different, right? So again, let's see what are the keywords. Let's try to understand it. So here is talking about police academy acceptance exam, and whatever the subject is, we are talking about normal distribution. All right, so that's the first keyword. There is no standard word, so that's the normal distribution. Normal distribution, always the axis is x. All right, is giving you the mean, so the mean is mu equals to 70. Is giving you the standard deviation here of 12, so sigma is going to be 12, and is asking you if only the top 14% of the applicants are selected, find the cutoff, so the cutoff score. Okay, and let's try to graph it, and hopefully this will give me a better understanding. Again, we are using the calculator, which is really a valuable tool, and this will make our job way easier, right? Okay, let's go to the whiteboard. All right, so before I forget, so the mean is, we say 70. We have sigma is 12, and we are looking the 14 percentile, right? So 14%. So again, we are working in a normal distribution function, and the normal distribution function is a bell shape. All right, this bell shape, we know that because they say just normal distribution, so we know this is going to be the x. All right, and the middle here is going to be the, which is 70. The sigma is going to be 12. All right, and if they are saying the upper 14% only get accepted into the exam, so we are looking for the 14% tail of this. So we have the area, that's the 14%. This area is 14%. Remember, the total area is 100%, which is equals to 1. And what they are giving you, this is the 14%. So then what the question? The question is, what might be this value? What might be this value? X1, what's it going to be? All right. So again, you have the area. You do have the area, which is 14%. By the way, 14%, you need to turn it into a decimal number. So 14% is going to be 0.1400. Usually we take four decimal places, but is 0.1400, right? So we know this, the area here. So can I go ahead and plug it in the calculator? Sure, I can try, but not sure if I can get it. So I'm going to explain it. So let's go to the calculator and see what are the requirements. So every time you are looking for a value x or z, you're going to use second again, vars. You are in distributions. However, you are going to use inverse normal. All right, so the number 3. So number 3 will give you the values on the x, on the horizontal line, right? So either the x, either the x bar, either the z value, the same. They are all in inverse normal. All right, so you're gonna go enter, and it's asking you about the area. Well, this is kind of tricky because on the calculator is not any area will go there. The area that the calculator is asking about is actually the left side area, or what is the left side area is this remaining area from here and here. All right, so that's the remaining area. So now Probably we can color it. So let's see here. This is it. This is the area that you're looking for. All right. So now, obviously, if I have this 14% or 0.1400, what will be the remaining if the total area is 1? So this is going to be 1. It's going to be 1 minus 0.1400. And this is the area that you have on the left side, which is 0.8600, right? So this is the area that you have. And that's what you should put in the calculator, right? Remember, the calculator accepts only the left tail. So let's put it in 0.8600. Then I'm going to go to the mean. So you see here that the mean is not 0, right? So the calculator by default is using a standard normal distribution. However, you are not in a standard mode. So if you are not in standard mode, you're going to put the mean 70. And you're going to change as well the standard deviation, which is 12. All right. And that's all. You're going to go and paste it and enter. And that's going to be the value that you're looking for, 82 point. So the value that I'm looking for here is nothing other than 82.9638. All right. So I'm putting all the values. Why? Because I need to round it. So let me go back to the question and see. Okay. So the final answer here, the final answer up to the nearest whole number. So I need to round it up to the nearest whole number. So if I have 82.9, so the closest number is going to be 83, right? All right, so let's check it. Great job. We're done. All right.